Hi guys, my name is Hanna, and today we're going to learn with you a new grammar topic. We will speak about time. We will learn today how to tell time in Russian language. But guys, before watching this video, I recommend you to take your copybook, to take your pencils, whatever you have, because during this video, please try to make some notes, try to make the practice that I give to you, because all my videos are really practical, and if you do all steps that I give to you, for sure you will have a progress. If you're just watching them and doing nothing, I'm not sure if it is a good idea. So please take your time, pause videos before doing exercises, again, review something and watch it with a profit. So let's start with you. And here you have two questions. For example, if you want to say in English, what time is it? We have two options in Russian language. You can say который сейчас час. Который сейчас час. Or сейчас you can skip. It is not necessary to say always сейчас. You can say который час. Который час. What time is it now? What time is it? Or another option, another variant. Сколько сейчас времени? Сколько сейчас времени? Or сколько времени? Сколько времени? So again, if you want, you can say сейчас. If you want, you can skip сейчас. It's up to you. So please repeat after me. Который сейчас час? Который час? Сколько сейчас времени? Сколько времени? And as always, we will start with some test. Here you can see 3 small dialogues and options, variants. You have to choose only one correct variant. So pause this video. Even if you don't know this topic, you're not sure, try to do it before watching my explanation. Try to, improve the skill just to guess the answer, okay? Okay, and correct answers you can see here. Который сейчас час? Сейчас 5 часов и 20 минут. Сколько сейчас времени? Сейчас 1 час и 11 минут. Сколько сейчас времени? Сейчас 2 часа и 4 минуты. Why you have to choose these options? What is the rule? We will discuss with you just right now. But before it, again, I want to give you a small test. So from the previous slide, probably you can guess that we change these words, depends on the numbers, depends what number you have. With some numbers we use часов, with some numbers we use час, and with others we use часа. And I want to ask you to do this exercise again. So again you have you see one number, for example 1, and you have to choose часа, час or часов, and just to write on your copybook the correct answer. Only one. On the left you see hours, so час hours, and on the right there are minutes. If you don't know, it's absolutely okay. We're learning right now. Just guess. Probably repeat. Try to understand what is more good, what sounds better, and just to guess. Okay, here you see answers. 1 час, 2, 3, 4 часа, 0, 5, 6, бла-бла-бла, 11, 12, 13, 14 часов. So, how it works in real practice? You see a number, for example, 21, 21, and the last number is 1. With number 1, we use the word час. That's why we have to say 21 час. Pay attention, час is masculine gender, and we have to use the word один because we have different forms of the number один. Один, it is only for masculine. Okay, let's take another number. For example, you want to say 62 hours I was working, so just too much, yeah? We have to say 62 часа. So the last number is 2, and there is a rule: if you have numbers 2, 3, 4, you have to say часа. 62 hours, часа, because 2 is the last number. Also, I want to pay your attention, 2 is for masculine genders and for neuter genders. So because час is masculine, and we also have some options for the number 2. It is Russian language. Okay, and let's take the next example, 20, 20. 20 часов. So we see that the last number is 0. There is a rule: if it is 0, you have to say часов. If it is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, you also have to say часов. I'm sorry. And there is one specific rule that you have to know. If you have numbers 11, 12, 13, 14, so 11, 12, 13, 14, it is like one number. You don't look at the last number, it is just like one, and we put it to the last group, it is часов. So 11 часов, 11 hours, 12 часов, 12 hours, 13 часов, 13 hours, and so on. So again, let's review it. If you want to say hours, you see the number and you have to look at the last number. There is a rule: if you see that the number ends on 1, you have to say час. 31 час, 31 hour. 41 час, 31 час, 51 час, 61 час. It doesn't matter what the number is, the last number should be 1. But there is exception: if it is 11, you have to say часов, because 11, it is like one complex number. We don't separate it. It is just like 5, 6, 7, just one number. If you see that the last number is 2, 3, 4, you have to say часа. 32 часа, 42 часа, 53 часа, 44 часа, 62, 73, 84, and so on. You have to say часа. If you have a number that ends on another number like 0, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you have to say часов. And 11, 12, 13, 14 часов also too should be. Okay, if we go to минуты, minutes, the same logic, but there are some changes, I would say. Firstly, you have to know that один, it is for masculine gender. So you have to look at the noun. For example, we have the noun час. Час is masculine, we have to say один. But минута, if you learn genders with me, if no, look the previous video. Минута, it is feminine, and we have another word одна минута. 2, 3, 4 minuty. Pay your attention that it is две because it is feminine gender. So when we have a word masculine, два телефона, 2 phones, we have to say два. But with feminine gender, it is две minuty. And if you have other numbers, 0, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on, 11, 12, 13, 14, you have to say minut. This is a rule. It is a logic of the Russian grammar. When you describe a time, you just have to learn it. And when you see number, you have to say depends on this rule. Just look at this. Okay, guys, let's practice. You see here some time, yeah? And your task will be right now. Pause this video and write down the time. So if you're not sure, you have to back to the previous, this slide. And again, it can help you to make this exercise. It's absolutely okay if you will do it 10 minutes or 20 minutes. Just take your time, do it, and after we will check with you. Okay. And answers. 10 часов 30 минут. And it is also possible to skip часов and minut because you can say just 10, 30, right? You can say 10, 30. Why часов? Because if we back to the previous slide, if the number ends on 0, we have to say часов, right? And 30 also, it is 0, so we have to say minut, 30 minut. It is the last icons. Okay, the next one. 13 часов 20 минут. You can also skip it. You can say 13, 20. It's okay. Why not? And, you know, in English you have like 12-hour system, but in Russian language we have 24-hour system. And this time is like 1 p.m., 20 minutes. We also can say час 20 минут. Час 20 минут, like 1 p.m., 20 minutes. So you can use both variants. You can say 13:20 or you can say 1 p.m. 20 minutes. It's up to you. We use both variants. Why not? And sometimes we skip один. Yeah, we can say один час 20 минут, but usually we say час 20 минут because we understand it's 1 hour. So like this. The next. 11 часов 25 минут. Again, you can skip часов and минут. 8 часов 48 минут. Again, you can also skip them. 21 час. Here, as you can see, we can say also 21:00. So like 21:00. We really say like this. And in this case, we don't say час. 21 час 00. No, you can skip it. You can say 21:00 or 21 час. That's all. You don't use minutes because we don't have minutes here, yeah? Just 0. And if you want to use American hour system, like you want to say that it is 9 p.m., you can say 9 часов. Or you can say 9:00. Like this. 19 часов 15 минут. So why часов? Because the last number is 9 and here the last number is 5. Or if we use another system, we can say 7 часов 15 минут. Why not? Or 7:15. Or 19:15. Just skip минут and часов. 18 часов 45 минут. Or 6 часов 45 минут. 14 часов 32 минуты. Or 2 часа 32 минуты. Yeah? So 2 часа. Pay your attention. 2 минуты. 2 минуты. Because it is feminine. 12 часов 1 минута. Or you can say 12:01. Why not? Okay guys, so today we have discussed with you how to tell time in Russian language. I hope that this video was useful to you. So write your comments, put likes, I will be very happy. And again, after this video, you will see the test that can help you to practice this topic. See you next video. Bye bye.